I chose my topic, lesbian experiences during the Holocaust, for my survivor testimony video as a continuation of my exploration of unheard voices in master narratives. As I explain in the intro of my film, in the overarching historical narratives, women's stories are often silenced in lieu of their male counterparts. Even more so, narratives of female sexuality, specifically homosexuality, are still hard to find. Thus, for my topic, I chose to look for these hard-to-find testimonies, specifically ones regarding lesbian experience during the Holocaust. Perhaps predictably, I found very few. From the Shoah archive, I found 8 testimonies that talked about female homosexualities, ranging from only seeing examples of it to experiencing it. In this film, I hope to give a voice to the often voiceless lesbian minority. I was dissatisfied with the amount of testimonies that I was able to find in the Shoah archive from the University of Southern California, and later did a quick search in Yale's Fortunoff archive, where sadly I only found one that had been tagged with the word lesbian, and that testimony was only available in Hebrew. All of the testimonies that I included in my film were from women. Within these interviews that I placed in my film, however, there were no positive personal lesbian experiences. What I mean to say by that is, none of the women that are within my film personally experienced a positive personal sexual experience with another woman. Within these 8 testimonies, 6 were witnesses to others in sexual relationships with other women, and 2 were victims of non-consensual sexual activities with other women. What is interesting to find is that there were definite lesbians, and more than that, that these women in the film remembered specific people that they interacted with who were lesbians on a day-to-day basis. This fact shows that there's much work to do. There's much work to be done for these particular narratives so that previously unheard voices can have their stories told. While I was discouraged by the small number of testimonies I found in my search in both of the archives, the fact that there were any at all is heartening, and gives me hope that one day these narratives will be told within the master narratives.